Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Roblox how to private chat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To private chat in Roblox, what you can do is just simply head over and open up a Roblox app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, all you gotta do is simply tap on the party option on the bottom of the screen. Then all you gotta do is select the friend that you want to chat to. Then once done, simply click on the chat icon and then type your message and press enter or tap send. This sends a private message like a DM. You can also go to the settings by simply tapping on the more icon, and here tap on messages right here, and here you can select a friend, and you can also choose from the settings to text everyone, friends or no one, and you can do the same for the in-game chat and the app chat as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.